Welcome to the beginning of an exciting journey into the heart of GitHub Actions. If you are here, it's because you are curious about the world of automation within software development. But before we delve deep into GitHub Actions, let's set the stage with some context. In the world of software development, there is always something happening. It's like a big, busy city that never sleeps. Every day, people start new projects. Much like building new houses or skyscrapers. Codes, which are like the bricks and beams of these buildings, come together and join. They combine to make bigger and better things. And just like in a city where new ideas and businesses pop up, in software development, there are always fresh, exciting changes and new ways of doing things. It's almost like watching a garden grow. Every day, seeds, new projects are planted. The plants twist and turn, reaching out to one another as they grow, blending and becoming stronger together. Over time, you see flowers bloom, which are the new features or programs. This software garden keeps changing, getting bigger, and more colorful with each day that goes by. Remember, those childhood moments with dominoes, setting them up one by one, intricately planning the sequence, and then with just a small nudge, witnessing a cascade of motion. This chain reaction, where one action seamlessly leads to another, captures the spirit of automation in software development. Enter GitHub Actions, a pivotal innovation from the vast arsenal of GitHub. Think of it as setting up your software dominoes. With just the right configuration, these dominoes, your tasks, can be triggered to run in meticulously planned sequence, ensuring your software development process is streamlined and efficient. If we were to visualize a code repository, it would resemble a grand, intricate machinery. Inside this machinery, there are countless cogs and gears, each responsible for a particular function. Every piece of code, every update or modification acts like a lever setting parts of the machinery in motion. GitHub Actions are these precise parts. They jump into action, testing your code, building it, deploying, and even more, all depending on your specific instructions. The sheer adaptability of GitHub Actions is what sets it apart. You aren't just restricted to automating a handful of tasks. Whether you are rolling out a new feature, patching a bug, or conducting periodic checks, GitHub Actions are equipped to respond. They ensure every process is seamless, every task is completed, and no stone is left unturned. Imagine the luxury of having a dedicated team at your disposal, where each member excels in a specific task. Now, envision GitHub Actions as this team. Each action is like an expert assistant, waiting for a cue to dive into work. One command and they are on it, ensuring every detail is meticulously handled. But GitHub Actions don't just stop managing coding tasks, they serve multiple roles. Some actions ensure that your coding standards are maintaining, acting as quality gatekeepers. Others extend a warm and welcome to new contributors, fostering a sense of community and yet Some others keep you informed, dispatching timely reports and updates, ensuring you are always in a loop. Across the vast realm of software development, GitHub Actions stand as a beacon of automation. They represent a new age, one where precision, efficiency, and dynamism are not just ideals but daily norms. They ensure that each repository, irrespective of its size or complexity, operates at its optimal best. As you navigate the intricate pathways of coding and software development, let GitHub Actions be your guiding star. With them, you are not just coding, you are crafting perfection, ensuring that each line, each function, each project resonates with excellence. And there you have it, an introduction to vast and promising world of GitHub Actions. As we progress through this course, we will dive deeper, exploring every nook and the cranny of this powerful tool. By the end, you will be well equipped to harness the power of automation, taking your projects to the next level. So, let's embark on this journey together, discovering the magic of GitHub Actions.